Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. I'm going to guide you how to earn gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. Earning gold bars in Candy Crush Saga is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. To earn gold bar in Candy Crush Saga, you have several options. Firstly, you can do is complete challenges and events, participate in the game event challenges and special tournaments that offers gold bars as reward. Events like Candy Crush, Candy Royal and Chocolate Box often provides opportunities to earn gold bars, daily rewards and bonus. Log in daily to collect rewards. You might receive gold bars as part of the daily bonus or spin the daily booster wheel, which occasionally includes gold bars. Purchase gold bars. If you are willing to spend money, you can purchase gold bars directly through the game in store. Win the jackpot on the booster wheel. Rarely you might hit the jackpot on the daily booster wheel, which can include gold bar. And here you go, these are some ways you can earn gold bars in Candy Crush. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.